Hello and welcome to this Trinity video. This video introduces the Trinity module, Simulation Welding. In this video we will present requirements for the training, concept of the module, application of the module, benefits of the training material, description of the video structure of this Trinity series, and at the end, conclusion and the next steps. Requirements. So this module requires the simulation software, visual components. However, similar simulation software can also be used, such as Robotics. This module does also require a robot arm, preferably 6 joints or above. You also need a welding tool to attach to the robot arm. It is recommended to have a rotary table in addition to increase the movement of the robot arm. Concept and approach. This module showcases how simulation software can be used to program a welding robot. Using this method allows for offline programming and testing of the welding program before executing it on the physical robot. This again increases the safety of the robot operator, since the program has already been tested before it is transferred to the physical robot. Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, is also utilized in this module for wireless communication between the robot controller and external computer with the robot, which can allow for remote access of the robot and the system, which again increases the flexibility of the system. Application of the module. This module can be applied to automate welding operations, but it can also be used for rapid or fast reprogramming of the robotic welding system. Automating the welding process can remove humans from hazardous environment and relieve people from performing dangerous and demanding work. This system is relevant for both the automotive industry, but also the aerospace industry and even the shipping industry. Benefits of the training. This module will give insight in programming of a welding robot with a simulation software. As mentioned before, this system uses Industrial Internet of Things to perform programming of the system. This again creates a flexible method for robot programming, since you can operate and manage the system without being physically at the robot cell or being close to the robot cell. This again can also allow for doing remote programming of the system, which again increases the flexibility. This can also be a cost-effective method to perform welding instead of using human labor. Description of the structure of this video series. This video series has been divided into 2 parts. The second video, it will showcase how to set up the system and how it is connected. The third video, it will show how the system is used and how you can operate and program the system. In this video, we have introduced the module, shown the requirements, the concept, the application, but also the benefit of the module, and we have described the video structure. If you are interested in more tutorials on this module or other use cases, please follow the links in the description. Thank you for watching this Trinity module introduction video.